Hey, there we go. We're live. Good morning. Nick, how are you doing this morning?
Good morning. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Very nice, very nice. Very good.
Had a couple of pre-market trades.
Nice.
Now I'm just waiting this 3 minutes for the market to open so I can get into an NQ long.
I guess I better protect my position then, eh?
Are you in a short?
No, I'm in a long, but
Okay.
it's been pulling back here for the last, I don't know. Oh, getting a little bit of a pop here. We'll see. I'll keep. It's only one micro, so worst case scenario. But I just don't see any orders. Once I opened up Bookmap, all I see is orders at 80, 80 and 84 or something. I'm like, uh-oh.
Did just come up and hit a deviation band.
Angia, good morning.
Good morning.
How are we doing, guys? And gals?
Ladles and jelly spoons.
We got the opening bell here in just over a minute. Taking a quick look at financial juice, I think we didn't really have anything today. We do have Michigan sentiment, 10 a.m., but not expecting too much of a reaction from that.
Not expecting a whole hell of a lot from Michigan. Not today. I'm expecting more from more news, stupid tweets, and fear in the market.
Yeah.
So with this dump overnight,
mm-hmm.
Who's expecting a little market manipulation, maybe Trump coming out and trying to pump the market a little bit?
Right.
And that's kind of what I'm expecting, and that's why I'm looking at taking an NQ long. As you know, as soon as the market opens, within an hour, there's going to be some press conference or something. A tweet, a press conference, Truth Social, something or other. So I requested max payouts on my Apex accounts.
Oh, nice.
I'm going to see if I can switch over from the legacy accounts to their new accounts.
Okay, nice.
See if that works out for me.
And you said, hey, how was your game? My game was okay. We ended up losing 4-3, but it was a good game overall. First playoff game starts on Sunday. So I have about a month of hockey left, and then I'll be back to being able to get some normal sleeps some nights here. Today, Mr. Frozen Mustang is missing Mr. Mustang? Oh, today is not Frozen Mr. Mustang?
Oh, yay. Look at that. It's like a Christmas miracle.
Uh-oh. I'm down 20, 30 bucks now in this one micro.
Uh-oh.
If we sweep these lows here, I'm gonna have to just cut this thingy. Yeah.
Oh. Well, shit. So Dave,
Yes.
you lost your hockey game.
Mhm.
You're gonna win in the markets today.
Yeah, I hope so.
We're in 2 minutes and MNQ is pushing down. So far today, I'm up 1,425.
Nice. That's great.
Oh, minus 274.
What's that?
I said minus 274. I took a losing trade on a cash account. That's not in my trade Zella.
Oh, gotcha.
So I did manage to take one loser that isn't showing up in trade Zella. So, you know. Damn, MNQ is dropping.
Yeah. I was trying to give this some time to breathe here, but it looks like they're going to go try to sweep these lows again.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to have to cut this guy.
Just swept the lows. Okay, let's see what's moving the market today. Well, shit. It might have something to do with oil being back up to $97 a gallon. Or
Yeah,
a gallon, a barrel. I'm
barrel.
thinking gasoline here.
Yeah, imagine imagine that was actually the price. Holy crap. Trying to give this a second to here to decide. This could just be a little push down. Currently down 100, 120 here.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're in a long, aren't you?
Yeah.
Looks like we're getting a little bit of lift here. Did create a new low a day right off the open.
Yeah, I didn't get any trades last night. Just that price action, we were just kind of sideways. So I was like,
Really?
yeah, I'm just not loving it until I think London happened, and then we had started that move down.
Yeah, I woke up early enough to take three pre-market trades, and that was all I did. Closed everything out by 8:45 and had a little breakfast, and now I'm back at it.
Yeah.
Trying to preserve a little bit of mental capital here because it is Friday. It's Friday. I think we're both green for the week, right?
Yeah, so far it's been a pretty good week.
So we'll keep this nice and tight today and hopefully stay that way over the weekend and just have a really good weekend.
Yeah.
Here's that push up for you. You still in that long?
I am, yes. I'm only down 106. Good morning there, Dad. Post-market Cheeto tweet. I'm gonna be on crypto most of the weekend. Post-market Cheeto tweet. I like it. All right, well, down 68 now. I think I'm gonna have to put my stop down a little bit below those bodies of the candle there.
I just got into my NQ long at 592. See if this manages to pull up a little bit. If not, I'm going to close it extremely quick.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Get back up there.
Just sneeze your way up. Achoo.
Yeah, right.
Kind of get stalled.
I'm going to push on the bottom of my screen here a little bit. All right. Okay, it's going up. It's going up.
Flick it.
Come on, move up. Move up.
Well, I do like that wick on that on this 5-minute candle, anyways. Followed by some nice.
Definitely not mad about it.
I'm down $40 here.
I'm out. I took $25 on that one.
Nice.
1 micro. Not.
I should probably try to stop this out here. If I can get the break even, go. No, don't go down. Trying to be patient here. Still trying to be patient here. I think I gotta stop this though now. Down 38. Come on, go green. Go green. Go green. Go green. Go. Go. Be a home slice. Be a home slice and put in a little green candle here.
Looks like it's going to. There is. Oh, shit. Orders just came on underneath a little bit heavy.
64.65.
Tape is looking about 50-50 right now.
Come on, boys.
There we go. Some volume balls coming in.
Right at my entry price here. I don't really want to stop it out just yet, but probably need to. Shoot. There we go. Come on, guys. You can do it. There we
go. Excuse me.
Finally. Thanks for the sneeze there. Appreciate that. Got it up.
Hey.
Oh, jeez. Come on, guys.
Anything I can do to help.
Well, you got to sneeze again. Hurry up.
Achoo.
Oh, what? Okay. I accidentally dropped it there. Stopped it out. Anyways. Angie had got 550 to 610 with 3 micros. Nice.
God damn it.
So what did I end up there? Down 53. Oh, well. Not the end of the world.
Love being outside, listening to the birds going, especially the neighbors' chickens.
Yeah, nice.
And the chainsaw off in the background. Somebody's hard at work.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's way off in the distance.
Nice.
All right, 3 minutes until opening range is set. We're going to have another bearish day.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Found a bottom there at least. So far.
It's a lower day today on MQ. All right. Toying around with a London low right now. 2 more minutes before I can take another trade.
Yeah, 43 after.
Pull open my handy dandy traders post. See why one of my accounts did not copy.
MQ's got orders up at 23,650, which is kind of at the highs here. Opening range high.
Excuse me. Opening range is now set.
Yeah.
And we are almost dead center from that first 2 candles. So zero trend has been established.
Damn, I would have been in the money there. Should have just waited for this candle. You gave me a like. Thanks, Dad. Appreciate that.
Everybody likes a Dave. All right, I am actually in an NQ long right now.
Nice.
Orders on the book map are all up above. Well, the heavy orders are all up above anyway. Yeah, I'm going to keep this a little bit on the tight side. This manages to go up, I'm going to hit that break even button. There we go, break even. So my break even button will give me $7 in profit.
Wow,
Enough to literally
I had
cover
a profit, and it closed it at a negative.
Slippage.
Yeah.
Never fun. The so my break even button, the way Mike set it up for me,
Yeah.
it's on NQ for a single micro, $7 in profit just to cover costs and commissions and give me a couple of bucks.
Nice, yeah.
Now I just have my finger on that exit button just in case. But I think I'm going to leave this on here for a while. It's just one micro. Heard something about midnight price somewhere before.
Midnight price is that it right there? It's quite a ways up there. Where's my midnight open line? There it is. Ralph just woke up.
Got 185 orders up at 712.50. If I take 100 points on this, I'll be happy as a clam.
What is oil looking like here anyways at the moment? Oil is definitely up, 97.40.
I made $7 on that trade. That was, hey, at least it wasn't right.
Yeah.
I am kind of liking the long ideas right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're above VWAP.
See how it plays here at this VWAP. Hey, Tim, good morning. I don't know if I said that already, but good morning to you, sir. Orders at 650 and 662 came off. 690 also came off on MNQ.
That's not healthy.
NQ, some orders low. Sort of 650 on still.
London low just got rejected.
I don't know if it's holding too short at 610. Nice. And yeah, 2 killer trades already this morning. What the heck?
Yeah, I just subscribed to Angie's Signal platform.
Angie, you're doing signals and you didn't tell me? What the heck?
It's a very select group.
Angie said this week is really my best week ever. Nice.
Nice.
That's great. I just got to help Ralph out. He's shuffling around over there.
Oh. Hit the low a day again. And went through it. Wow. Oh, so much for my long idea.
All right. Sorry about that. You're out. You're done for the day. No greedy, no push, no stress. Gonna carry my money and smile over the weekend. Nice job.
Good job.
I like it.
I like hearing that.
Two nice wins right out of the gate, and you can wrap it up.
That is a beautiful thing.
I don't know what kind of a target I would have to the downside here if I did go short, though. That's kind of the problem for me right now.
I got my short in at 23,560, and I'm still holding it. I added to it at 50.
Nice. We do have orders down 23,275, 23,250, and 23,230. It looks like three big stacks. Look like they're all real orders too, like 6, 7, almost 800 orders there, and 370, 200 contracts.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of orders underneath us.
Mm-hmm.
Handy dandy break even button.
Got to just try to get a little pullback here for a possible entry for me. Tim's short 23,612. Nice job, Tim. It's a beautiful trade.
Tim seems to be pretty good at this sort of thing. He's going to have to quit his day job here soon so he can start live streaming with us full time. He can be the sexy lumberjack that you keep fawning over.
Two old guys and one young lumberjack.
Title of my first
he's actually our elder. Funny thing.
That was the title of my first porn movie. I didn't get famous for obvious reasons.
You missed ES short trying to hunt along on Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Come on, not even going to give me a chance to get in here or what? I just don't feel like selling the lows.
And I am out of that one.
Nice trade.
had 4 winners, 2 losers.
You had a couple from pre-market losers, or
I had one pre-market loser, and then I had one long loser right after the opening range was set.
yeah. Mr. Mustang almost got 100 points. Great trade.
Thank you. My little 2 micro trade for $300 or so.
Nice. Oh, getting some volatility here. Volume's coming in. Buyers are kind of holding this level right now. Pretty high volume here on this push up on this candle.
Yeah, there's still almost 300 orders down at 23,250.
Couple of bucks a day payout is on the way. Couple $100 a day payout is on the way. Good morning, Lilish. And nice trade there, Tim.
Yeah, if Tim starts streaming with us, he's going to have to come up with a moniker that starts with an M.
Yeah. Mr. Korth. Or just Mr. Tim Korth, yo, stay green, don't give back. Yay. And right. Just obviously just being a cheerleader now that she's up on the day.
Why is it women always tend to be better traders than men? I have a theory.
You got that patience?
Better risk management, better patience. Less likely to go on tilt. I'm gonna pull up the 9 and 21 here. So we're coming up to the 9 EMA. Just rejected off of that. 21 EMA is up at 557.90. which is right at previous day's VWAP. Got the New York session VWAP at 566.30. YM is the only thing that's trading inside the opening range right now. Everything else is down under it. ES, NQ, what's oil doing? Oil's just now breaking down through VWAP. Trump's extension fails to calm markets. Oil posed for a weekly low as Trump extends pause for Iran energy strikes. Yeah, that didn't happen.
Hey, good morning, the Hawk Flies.
It's a resident funny guy.
Somebody trying to take your job.
Oh, I will never have a job. He's more than welcome to it.
Well, I don't. I'm in a short here. I don't like that we're stalling out at the moment. Right at my entry price here. My stop's up at 25. Just kind of hoping we're going to get back to these lows here. But the buyers keep stepping in right around we're at the 500 level. So pretty key area here. Just need to get below 95. Let's go right now. Do it. Yep, there you go. I'm going to put my stop
for another
at 500 here. No, don't bounce. Damn it. I didn't drop the stop yet. Don't like it. Don't like that bounce though.
There's already been 2 rejections off of the 9 EMA. 3 if you count this candle. We're still below both VWAPs. Everything's in a downtrend so far. And I'm looking at the 2-minute. On the 5-minute, you got a pretty early entry, but it still looks good. You said you got in right at 500, right?
Yeah, I'm at 504 is my entry.
504. Oh, you're green.
Yeah, $20. Just really need to take these lows here. So 85 now is going to be that level that I need us to break. Come on, there you go. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm putting a stop there at 85.
There you go. Oh, come on. Break and stay under.
I just wanted to get back at least a break even here, so I'm got rid of I'm out now. Back to break even, so
all right.
I'm okay with that for now. Reassess.
It's early. It's only 10 o'clock.
All right, Tim. Hey, have a good one. See you back in a little. He said, I got to head out for a bit. Be back later.
Have fun, Tim.
The Hawksfly says, I'm here for the vibes. Everyone trading MNQ and I'm trading MES. We've all switched to the dark side. The Hawksflies.
Yeah, pull up the MES here real quick. MES, continuous contract. There we go. Switch it over on my trader's post.
I got to turn on the
All right. Change it on my book map as well.
Well, it looks like we're pretty ready at the moment. Go 420 NQ, go. Are you in another trade, Angia?
So, Tim, there are 919 orders on ES down to 64.50. Everything is in a downtrend. It is outside the opening range, below the high of day, low of day, and New York VWAP.
Absorb all that information, the Hawk. Okay, and yeah, I was hoping that I was hoping you didn't get induced into taking more trades if you already, made some nice solid trades this morning.
So the Hawk Flies, if you are trading similar to the way that I do, we just rejected off the first deviation band off of VWAP. It broke through it twice, 10 and 15 minutes ago. And it's sitting in the middle of that bearish channel.
Lots of orders below on ES, hey?
There are a ton of orders below on ES.
645, 640, 440, sorry.
There's about 1,400 orders going all the way down to 64.25. They're spread out. The highest concentration is at 64.50 with 920 orders. And only 3/4 of those are algos. So
bouncing up here a bit.
Tim, are you in a trade right now? Or I'm sorry, the Hawk Flies, are you in a trade right now on ES? On ES, I'm actually, I'll start looking for a short right around VWAP. I'm going to pull up some fair value gaps here and see if there's anything that jumps out. The center of a fair value gap is sitting at VWAP right now.
Oh, that's a good level.
Yeah, that's a really good sign, really good indication for going short at that level. 90 orders at 64.75. I'm just gonna wait and see how I act with VWAP. If it bounces off it, I'll take a short. Or try and get it back down to like 453 level. If it goes through it, I'll wait for a second candle indication and go with a long. 490 is the next deviation band going up, so. Previous days VWAP right now is sitting at 64, 96, 90. 75.
Let me put a 20 micro account right now. Nice.
What was that?
She's going to put a 20 micro short on a sim account.
I was just reading that.
Reading the same message at the same time.
I'm restraining jokes. What the fuck?
Don't bother. Just have at her.
Oh. All right. ES is bouncing off of VWAP right now.
Yeah, I did take a little long scalp on NQ right there. Made 44 in my trading combine. Still pushing up here. Just right past the VWAP.
Okay, it broke through VWAP now, but it's still sitting in the middle of that fair value gap.
That's true.
And there's a little bit of selling pressure, so.
Two minutes, 45 seconds on this candle here.
Excuse me.
Coffee's ready.
Dave. I'm going to have to wait for a candle closure on this.
Yeah. Just got a 3-minute closure.
Nah, I need to wait for the 5. Like every part of me wants to take a 5 mini short on this and hold it back down to the low of day.
I took a 1 micro short here. I'm up.
Locking myself out.
Yeah, if you're having that feeling, don't do it.
Yeah. Lock out. There we
I'm
go.
up 31
I'll be
in
back.
this micro trade here. All right, stopped out 22 in profit. So I'm up 66 now in the combine. Break even on the Lucid account up 875 and up 66 in my trading combine. I'm going to need some coffee here. So Angia, or whoever else is in the chat here, one time I had been green on all of my accounts. I was up, $100 in or 100 plus in every account, and then I switched over to a paper trading one or whatever, a sim account, right? And I was trading big size, like five minis. I accidentally switched over to an account, a real account, and hit five minis, and within like about 30 seconds hit max daily loss. Luckily I had a max daily loss set, but yeah, that was unfortunate. Just accident. That was like probably my worst, like my dumbest losing trade ever. Yeah, it was pretty bad. Because I was like telling the people in the chat, like, oh, look at my accounts. This is green, this one's green, and then I never switched back to the paper account. And then went whatever. I don't remember if it was a short or a long trade, but I know it was like five minis, and then within like 2 seconds, because I had like maybe like a 450 max loss limit, just like instantly hit it. I was like, no, that was actually a 650 at that time. But yeah, it's like, oh my god, so fast. So we're just above the New York VWAP here, guys. So I wonder if we're going to be recovering, heading back up to initial balance or opening range high. Not initial balance yet. You're trying to be more deliberate with your entries. Nice, yeah. Getting another rejection here off of that VWAP. Darren's looking to short opening range high. You're watching ES, obviously, probably. Why am I on NQ but my book is on ES here? Oh, you usually lock all the accounts after you're done? That's a good idea. So you don't get like induced back into a trade, right? Same trade as yesterday, I fluffed and took 3 attempts on. Geez, nice rejection there. Should have taken the second rejection off the VWAP.
That's okay, Dave. I got it for you.
Oh, nice. Right when you sat back down, I heard your mic make a little noise there.
Just took 7 points on it so far.
Are you on ES?
Down. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, NQ's looking very similar. So that's kind of the good thing is it looks like all three NQ, ES, and YM looking pretty similar at the moment.
Hitting that break even button right now.
Nice. Rather make money than make funny. Oh, there you go. We get some jokes out of them.
All right.
Angie is rooting for a 420 on NQ.
Okay. Come on, candle. Turn red. I'm not asking for much here.
Quit toying with my emotions.
Yeah, all right.
From here, up or down? I'm not sure. Lilish? At this moment, your guess is as good as mine. We're in the middle of the range, slightly below VWAP, which is good for sellers anyways. 40 micros now. LOL. I don't care.
Ooh.
You can pump now or dump now. Angie is in that paper account, so
All right.
don't form any bad habits. Paper trading, Angie.
Yeah, if those habits start crossing over, it's going to be an issue.
I think she's pretty responsible with their sizing.
Yeah,
but yeah.
I don't know. I have a feeling ES is going down.
Yeah, NQ's pushing down.
Got orders underneath us at 64.50 still. I got a target around 64.53. That's that first deviation band on ES.
Yeah. They're
Hit my
trying to
break
go.
even.
They're trying to hold it though.
They're trying. I'm hoping they fail.
Yeah.
I got my break even in. I got 6 micros on. So
Nice.
no matter what, I'll make like
Size.
$60.
Just waiting for us to start sweeping these lows here. Come on, let's go, boys. All right, stops break even now for me too, or $7 in the profit. So
All right,
keep
deal.
going here, NQ. Keep going. Come on. Stopped out. Okay. 650.
You made 650 on that?
No, $6.50.
Oh, all right.
I wish.
I was gonna say I thought you were trading micros and small size.
Yeah.
With a tight stop.
Best setups are when money markets print sideways candles and then breaks out. Easy money. Yeah. 20 micros at 521.20 and 542 short to the ground. Guys, I'm doing this sim account. Don't follow me. I repeat, do not follow me.
All right. Will
IB's
not follow.
IB just got set there, guys. Right now. Darren also was giving us a 3-minute heads up. VWAP, New York VWAP short was the one. Had to be hate being patient.
Yeah, it can be hard. I am getting a little bit better at my being patient, but it's still a struggle for me.
Hey, there's Chin. What's up? Good morning. Hello. And Chin Tan was saying what's up to Mr. Mustang too. Good morning.
What's up? Good morning.
Yes, Darren, IB set.
Oh, come on. Get back down there.
I was chatting with Darren, and we're going to see if he wants to hop on sometime next week.
All right.
You're waiting for a Cheeto tweet? He'll give us a tweet for a scam pump at some point today? Yeah, probably, right? He doesn't like it when the market goes down. He's going to for sure say something soon.
Oh, yeah. It's the only thing that he really gets... no, I'm not even going to say it.
If you blow accounts, then you have to buy new accounts, then restart. How many accounts are going to blow? How many times you're going to start again? If that's your style, then it's your style. I think you're talking to Angia, but Angia is already locked in profit, Lilish, and she's just taking trades on her like paper account, not even a evaluation or anything. So I don't know if that's who you're talking to. So blowing accounts, unfortunately, is part of the game. It's going to happen occasionally, but
it does happen.
Hey, no worries, Angia. I don't think anyone's really confused at the moment. Market is trapping longs and short right now, right? Yeah. We're pretty choppy, sort of. Let's see if we can't get a nice break of the initial balance low here. Maybe we can take ES down to, what do we got? 54. We got orders down at 869 contracts down at 664.50. what is oil doing here? Oil's still going up. Breached 98, and now doing a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, I know, Lilish. Yeah, she said sim, but I'm pretty sure she means like a paper account. No worries. You're just trying to help her make good decisions if she was making a bad decision. So I'm sure she appreciates that.
Yeah, we're all friends here. Nobody's gonna get butthurt about anything. Unless you're intentionally being a dick.
Yeah, which I don't think anyone in our chat is.
Yeah, no.
Just kind of like, don't blow accounts. I'm, trying to support you here. That's funny, Lilish. I said that earlier too, but I don't know. I don't think she's going to be taken. I think she's pretty good at sizing and stuff in the real accounts. But yeah, I've done that before too, where I made the mistake to accidentally. I was trading in a paper account, and then I accidentally switched to a funded account, and took max daily loss on 5 minis in about 10 seconds as price went against me accidentally. I was pretty angry about that trade, man. Mark that one up as my dumbest losing trade ever.
I don't know, man. I've had some pretty stupid trades in my time.
Gold has really been off the radar lately, hey? Gold popped up pretty nice though today. Nice bullish candle there, pretty early. 25-point runner.
Yeah, my ES short in at
Go for 20 NQ,
64, 60, 64, 64.
Nice. Yeah.
Just 3 micros, so if I need to cut it quick, I will. But we got no orders up above us.
Yeah.
To speak
pretty
of.
dark above. And you're so polite. I'm currently flat right now, Chintan. I think Nick is in a short though currently.
I am in an ES short. Not loving the price action here, so depending on what this new 2-minute candle does, I may be just cutting it. Setting it at break even, so no matter what, I make about $30.
Yeah, I just made a quick $37 scalp there on NQ breaking the lows. So I'm up 108
Nice.
now in this. Oh, look at that, all the way down to the lows. Got that, sold that a little bit early. Come on,
Closing
NQ,
that
be a good
trade
girl.
out, taking my $100 and calling it a day.
Nice trades. You took a quick $15 short on ES, similar to Nick. Nice. Yeah. Looks like we ran into those orders at 655 and ate some of them and then bounced. But they're going to come back down here for a second attempt, it looks like right now.
Looks like there's a little bit of support right at 64.53.50.
Chintan said, yep, it was tough today, was trading gold and got stopped out 2 times. Yeah, well, that's why I've personally just been staying away from gold. I've had some really nice winners, but like, man, if you don't get it at the right time, those pullbacks are nasty. And you know, at $1 a point, that whatever your stop is at can get eaten up real fast.
So for the day, I've got a profit factor of 4.26.
Wow, very nice.
88.79% trade win rate.
That's always nice. I love it when it's like 100% win rate day.
Yeah, I don't have those very often.
Yeah.
But when I do, I do a little happy dance.
Do, do, do. Happy, happy.
Anybody else here using TradeZella?
I am. Yep.
Well, I know you are.
Anybody in the chat using TradeZella?
Anybody in the chat use chat?
And you're not frozen.
No.
Yeah, hey, everybody say hi to Nick while you can.
I wasn't frozen. I was just staring at this chart very intently.
How did you see your profit factor for the one day? Did you go to
for today?
hold
on, change the date range here. 4.26 profit factor.
But what tab were you on to see that?
What tab?
Like not on the dashboard, right? Are you in reports or on the left side?
Hold on one second. I'll StreamYard.
Just can't seem to take those orders at 64.55 there. Bounced off it basically like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Ooh, excuse me.
All right, can you see that?
Yes.
There it is. So date range.
Oh, I went day range. Okay. Off dashboard.
So on the dashboard, you can actually just edit it right here.
Yeah.
And put whatever you want up here.
Okay. We should see if Dave can get Sarah McLaughlin to perform at Lillish Fair. The hockey.
Lilith.
So I got 117 P&L, 75% win rate, 3% or 3.01 profit factor on today's trades. Interesting. Yeah, I just didn't know how you were setting up the average win-loss. Why does it shows the average win-loss is low? Is that a good thing? See how like the little purple layout there?
Hold on, let me go back to the average win to loss is
like
closer to the center, like right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want that as close to the center as possible.
Okay. Yeah, mine looks very similar to yours for
all the
overall.
profit factor, consistency, win percentage.
You want it out towards the outsides.
I think max drawdown should be towards the center as well, but I've had days where I've had like $30,000 drawdowns.
Oh yeah.
And then recovery factor you want way out here. Let me switch this over.
Mine looks pretty similar to yours, except for my max drawdown's a little bit in by like one of those little lines. And my profit factor's 1.5 lines in, and yours is all the way out there. So consistency's good, win percent's good, recovery factor's good, profit factor's a little bit down, max drawdown's a little down, which I think is good, like you're saying, and average win loss is almost at the center, like a little bit past the first line from the center.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So this right here, I don't understand because it says that I have an average win of $63.90.
Yeah.
And my average loss is 119, but I have a profit factor of 4.26. Now, granted, I've taken a couple of trades where I've made like $115,000 on a single trade. So that might be why this is still higher than this.
Yeah.
But win rate's at 88.79, and that's because I moved my stop loss to a profitable area. Break even plus costs and commissions.
Yeah,
and maybe $1 or $2. So nice. I don't really understand how they come up with this average win to loss, because my winners generally are a little bit bigger than my losers.
Mm-hmm.
If I had this flip-flopped with an 88.79% win rate, I mean, my yearly would be stellar. It would just be stellar.
Yeah. Day win rate. So you're up like around $5,000 right now today?
Yep, 5,036.82 for the day.
Nice.
So
got those couple losses out of the way in the morning, and then been straight up since then.
I did manage to take a couple of good trades pre-market, so that was nice.
Gave you a little bit buffer for when you did take the initial loss in the open there.
Yeah, I haven't. My accounts haven't been showing red at all for total profit today. So that's because I took those two good trades pre-market. But I took two losers within the first hour of today. So
yeah. Oh, I just won another account on Proper Match.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's funny. All right, looking at ES now, it's going back up.
That's so awesome. That's the third account that I've won from Proper Match now. Because I just heard Zach say in the background, "Oh, Dave Butcher. Oh, congrats, man!" I'm like, what?
Oh Lord. So if you look at,
Oh, Angia saw that I was screaming. She said, "That's so crazy."
so right now, ES is coming back up to VWAP.
Well, today's a good day. I guess I can officially call it.
Yeah, I mean, we got a bullish fair value gap here.
I guess I gotta. How do we do this? Do I have to message in Proper Match?
Yes, their Discord.
Is that where they've been doing the? Because before you had to go on to X to message them for it. So did they change that now?
I think so.
I think so too, but. Oh, giveaway claim. I see it. There we go. This ticket is only for giveaway claims. Please click on the button below to claim your giveaway. Okay. I did that. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I heard them say something about they're moving it to into Discord. I guess I won't be bothering entering any more giveaways for the. Well, hey, fun, good to win it on Friday because I can get back in on next week.
Perfect. All right, this is the second push up through VWAP on ES.
NQ's like playing with VWAP right now.
Yeah, I'm going to see if it closes above the wick on this previous 2-minute candle. Look at the 5 for a second.
Oh, geez, gold.
We're in the middle of a fair value gap here.
Yeah, gold just blew up. Hey, we just printed a 25-point candle to the upside. Strategic mineral. Gotta get it.
Yeah, this is not looking like I may. It's not looking like I'm going to be taking too many trades from here out. It's 11 o'clock. I'm up $5,000.
Yeah, I don't need to push it. That's a nice day. Big rejection off the New York there, hey?
Went right up to the center of that fair value gap, just like you told me the other day.
It did, didn't it? Yeah. Almost
It's almost like
exactly.
you. Yeah, it's almost like you know what you're talking about or something, Dave.
Sometimes.
I mean,
I think I
it
owe
happens.
a lot of that to Zach. 'Cause I think Zach knows what he's talking about.
I mean, I'll give you that one.
Yeah.
Zach is definitely smarter than I am. Wow, I should have played that right off that 64.74.
Yeah, that was a beautiful rejection off the VWAP there.
Hmm.
40 points on NQ right now. I haven't taken any trades in my Top 1 Futures Ignite account yet. I don't know, I'm a little tired today from hockey, so I'm like a little reluctant to give it so hard. So
I'm a little bit tired from being awake at 3 o'clock in the morning and
yeah,
yesterday being 94 degrees at the high.
94. Hey, wow, that's spicy. Gold's going up. Is oil's going up too? Yeah, oil's still going up. YM's holding above the VWAP pretty solidly. I just don't really like this zone that we're in here. I mean, we're
The
so
consolidation that's happening right now.
yeah, exactly. There's not a whole lot of reward towards the risk here, especially being in the middle of the chop. If anything, we got to long the bottom or short the high of this range, anyways.
Yeah.
U.S. energy ministers are to discuss the Iran crisis on Tuesday via video call, and it shows they have a graph up on there, and it shows 16. This must be the fear index, and we're in extreme fear right now.
Oh yeah. What's the fear index? What's the
16.
VIX level at? Did you say 16?
Yeah.
Oh. It was worse a couple of weeks ago.
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah, it was at 40.
Oh, well, maybe this is a different number. So below 25 is extreme fear. Below 50 is fear. 50 is neutral. Greed is 50 to 75-ish. And then extreme greed is 75 to 100. So maybe it's a different graph.
Yeah. When the VIX hits 40, that's extreme fear. Actually, I think when it hits 30, it's extreme fear. ES is toying with VWAP on the 15.
Tim goes, I'm back. Looks like I missed a bunch of chop. Yeah, totally, Tim. Angia said, Tim, if you're green, I think it's better not to trade the chop right now. Easily get chopped out. Yes, I agree. And if you're going to take any trades, make sure you're just aggressive on, locking in at least a little bit of spinach.
Wow, this 4-hour chart looks just brutal.
Oh wow, yeah. Just down, down, and then those green candles are like tiny, right? Big sell.
Yep.
We tried to pump it, rejected. Then a small green, big sell, big sell. Now we're forming a small green again.
It's almost like every time something stupid happens, the market goes down.
What a coincidence.
That's a shocker, ain't it? But we have a 4-hour fair value gap. Center of it's at 64.90. Right up near VWAP. Go figure.
Yeah.
To the 15.
Get a little volatility in the bounce here. NQ's trying to take that New York. Get a little resistance there again.
If this gets up to previous days VWAP, I'm just going to put a short on and come back on Monday.
Leaving it a cash count running.
Mm-hmm. You know, something small, just like 1 micro.
Yeah. Just let it ride. Hopefully you come back to some nice profit on Sunday night or Monday morning.
Yeah.
Well, a lot can happen over the weekend. Typically, it's interesting how he's been doing his like war activities. Hey, he waits till the market closes on Friday and then he attacks.
Yep.
And then by Monday he'll make sure he puts out a tweet saying, "Oh, don't worry, the war is over, guys."
The war is over. Then why are missiles and rockets and bombs and shit still falling from the sky?
Yeah.
Call me crazy, but that doesn't sound like the end of a war. I'll be back.
We got a deal almost. Almost. We almost got a deal, guys.
Hard to ignore PCE inflation data suggesting progress on inflation stalling even before the latest energy. Yeah, okay. I don't care. I'm just going to watch these candles today.
Command pad is looking good. Mike sure had a lot of buttons on the command pad compared to yours. I mean, you have a few, but it's not like quite like Mike's. He had like four rows or something of options. But I mean, he is the programmer, so it makes sense. See what happens here if NQ pops up to like 550 and rejects. That would be a pretty good signal on the 5. We do have some orders coming on that came on the book above 23,560 and 535, 545, 550, and 560.
That's a pretty high move past VWAP. You sleeping, Dave?
I'm just sending a message to my mom.
Hi, Mom. How they enjoying their trip?
Yeah, she's doing really good. She sent me a video of sort of like the boardwalk out there. It looks really beautiful. Blue ocean, sand, and yeah, looks warm and nice. Everything looking really good.
Tempted to take a short off this London low, but it's above VWAP, so it's against the rules, especially on a Friday. Oil's not looking too healthy right now. It just keeps going up. The fuck? Oh,
What happened?
I put on the whatever the hell this ticker is instead of the MNQ Futures contract. What's that?
The continuous one?
No, I didn't hit the futures contract, so it's some stock.
Okay,
with
gotcha.
the ticker symbol MES. Looks like I would have been correct with that short off the London low. See if we get a bounce off of VWAP. There's still orders down at 64.50. 848 of them.
Oh, I hate when that happens. I had to take profit. I took a short there on NQ. Had to take profit at 511. It edged my take profit and then bounced and hit my stop loss in the profit. And then it went right past the take profit shortly after. So teammate Alex is going to be a prop for match host.
Oh, really?
I think so. He just said our newest PFM host is in the chat.
So the OG.
He's going to be trading the PM session. That's cool. Yeah, sounds like he's going to be doing PM, like the evening sessions on Proper Match.
Zach's gonna log off, and teammate Alex is gonna
come on a bit later. Yeah, seems like it. Hey, Chris B, what's up? Yeah, morning's going pretty good. We're mostly all green. I think everybody in the chat seems to be green. I'm a small green. I'm up like 100 and I don't know 125 or something on the day. So I'm not gonna be greedy. It is Friday, end of the week.
Excuse me. This candle closes is going to tell me what my next trade should be.
We got orders above and below. We got a whole bunch of orders up at on NQ anyways, 23,562. Seems like they're trying to stair step it up.
On the 5-minute, we do have a higher high, equal low though. This equal low down here. We essentially have a quadruple bottom at 64.57. Here's VWAP at 64.69.90. No, 64.69.75. We're in a bearish fair value gap with a bullish one underneath. So yeah, this is stupid. There's no reason to take a trade right now.
Yeah. Opposite confluences here.
Mm-hmm. The likelihood of being in a profitable trade is like a coin toss at this point. So
yeah.
Wait for this candle to close and get paid to make good choices.
Yeah, if there's no clear edge, then that's the point where you need to say I need to be flat.
Cash is a position.
Lilish, you're taking a short trade right now? I mean, that is the one thing that's working in the favor of shorts right now is the rejections off the VWAPs.
Rejections off the VWAPs and the fact that from the open, it's just been in a downtrend.
Yeah. So definitely shorts are the better way to go. Yeah, scenario for short. Yes, I agree.
Even if you're looking at the wick high on that previous 5-minute candle, still in a good downtrend. It's not horrible if you're planning on holding it for a while, and there are 900 or 850 orders down at 64.50. This just isn't in my plan, so that's not the trade that I take.
Yeah,
I don't want to hold it for 30 minutes and close it down here. I'd rather hold it for 5 minutes and close it.
Sharpie short at 505. Nice. Zara Trader, what's up? Sup guys, would love another VWAP to IB low. Yeah. May have
we'll see how this
their chance there.
See how this 5-minute candle closes, and you may just get it. So much excitement on the charts today.
Yeah. There is 178 orders down at 23,430, which would be a break of the low. So those could be stops, I guess, on longs, which could be a target. Might get that VWAP chance here again with this bounce.
Still got a minute before the candle closure, so It's looking good for shorts for me.
Yeah, let's push it down here, boys. Let's go. I'm in one micro short here on this NQ push. Currently up a decent amount, 20 bucks. Ooh, bouncing.
Yeah, there's a little fair value gap sitting on ES.
Right where it bounced.
62. I'm ready to take a short, but trying to be patient. Got a big buy volume ball on ES, but price is still going down.
I'm locking in 15 bucks of profit here if we get a little bounce. It took me up 15 bucks. One micro. Just little base hits. 130 now.
Base hits are how you make your money.
Yeah, and I'm really slowly trying to get this 150K combine to the pass. I'm at 157,508. So about 1,500 left to pass this guy. So slow and steady. Been sizing down. I haven't taken a mini trade in 3-4 days now. Just chipping away with these couple micros at a time.
I don't think I've taken a trade on a mini in a couple of weeks now, I don't think. Just with everything going on with this shit in Iran, I had no interest in losing money that fast.
Well, we did sweep down through a bunch of those orders there. Took the orders at 468, 475, 472. And then the orders at 460 came off. Bear flag on the 1 hour chart. Nice drop. Yeah, still aiming to 439 for that short on Sharpie. Yeah, 439. I mean, there's a good chance they're going to come sweep these lows, right? That's kind of our nearest potential target anyways. Pray for a new low. Short trades in trouble. So you're in a short, Lilish? I hope it works out for you, bro. I need to use the bathroom quick. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry.
See if this hits that low a day. So I wouldn't even mind if it hit that 57 level where all those candle closures were. Again, we're below VWAP. There's a lot of selling pressure. It's in a downtrend. Need to keep talking to myself to tell me this is the right move. And if it's not, I got a 20-point stop loss in. So entry was at 64.6175. So I'm a little bit red now. And I'm out. Oh, this is going to come right back down. Hmm. Created a new bullish fair value gap on that candle. On the 2 minute, still making it on the 5.
Hey, I'm back. Sorry about that. Looks like we're still in Chop Fest, eh?
Yeah, I got stopped out with my 20 points.
Damn.
On 2 micros, so that was my
bullish, maybe.
Well, I was just looking. We have equal lows here, slightly higher highs, creating a bullish fair value gap, but we're sitting in the middle of a bearish one that it went through twice. So there's, again,
hey, Cosmo. Did somebody open his yap again? White House officials are cautiously hopeful that the latest negotiations with Iran are making progress. So that was the news that came out at 25 after 11.
Great.
So he used the White House today instead of Truth Social.
It's a Christmas fucking miracle, isn't it?
And look at that. Oil dropped from 98 down to 97. And now it's at 97.50. So this NQ is sitting right below the 200 EMA now. Looks like we have mostly orders above 560, 575, and 600. We still have those orders down at, looks like maybe 430, 23, 430, 172 contracts, but it's a little bit out of the range here.
Yeah, the EMAs haven't crossed over for a long yet on ES.
Czar said WTF. Obviously, you're talking about that pump that happened at 25 after, because you said that at 24 after.
Yep. And that's when I got stopped out of my short.
Oh, yeah, on that. So Chintan made a little bit of money on that pullback. It looks like after the push, $20. Somebody's always got to open their yap. Just don't know what channel it's going to be coming from.
So those 800 orders down at 64.50 disappeared.
Oh, yeah.
CVD flipped to positive 568.
Yeah. I'm seeing 700 on NQ right now.
ES just hit 700 as well.
And it was down at like negative 3,000.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Actually, we had a negative of 4,700. 5,100 actually. Whew. That's quite a pump.
Well, I think I may be done for the day.
Yeah.
How about yourself?
And we got, it's 8:30. Wow. Yeah. I could use a nap. Small green day, up 130 in the 150K. And I think I got that other account to break even, or up $8.75.
See profit, take profit. Yep.
Oh, I'm up $25.60 in my MNQ Futures account. That must have been from last night or something. I didn't trade this today.
That you know of. How are you copying it?
I didn't copy it. I've been individually trading them.
Fair enough. All right, Doc. I'm gonna get the hell out of here.
Okay, sounds good.
So I will see you Monday morning.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy your weekend and don't do anything dangerous.
Yeah. Thanks.
Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, Jake.
See you on Monday.
Oh, we're gonna get the chart back up here. Reorganize the stream. We are tapping into a bearish fair value gap here from from earlier in the price action on the 1 minute chart. Got a couple bearish fair value gaps here on NQ. Looks like we got a little bit of room, at least up to 23,623 or so, potentially. Okay, guys. Well, what are you guys thinking? I don't know. I feel like, I mean, we're bullish now, but the book isn't really telling us much of a story other than algos are moving a price around the price right now. Remarks from the Philadelphia Federal President and CEO Anna something or other are going to be going on. Fed Daily and Paulson speak. Watch live. Okay, so that's coming up here. So we do have this bearish fair value gap here from the opening candle at 23,622. Nine people in YouTube, and looks like we still have 4 people watching in X. Thanks, guys. We got working our way up towards 1,000 subscribers. We're at 745 now. 250 to go. That'll happen in the next couple weeks anyways. Yeah, the price, Mr. Maybe, price action is pretty crappy, yes. finally getting a breakout here, right? But we've been chopping basically. We went down, chopped around, now we bounced up. Nothing too clear anyways, right? Found a rejection there at the 600s. Didn't quite get into this bearish fair value gap. So Mr. Shaw. What's up, guy? How's everybody doing? I'm doing good, thanks. How are you? You made a program to calculate GEX and gamma walls. Positive gamma today. Largest gamma wall, 64.95 if you're into gamma at all. Yeah, I've never really watched gamma. I don't know. I don't know the gamma. If NQ don't take out 640, hard to say. Yeah. We do have 105 orders up at 23,650. Oil needs a significant drop to get traction on bounce. Look at that, guys. Oil did dip down into 96.90, right into a 5-minute bullish fair value gap that's been holding on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's would be the 6th candle. It's pretty nice little bounce right there. 96.91 to 97.30. So we did invert a bearish fair value gap here between 587 down to 526 on this last candle closure here on the 5-minute. Split Striker. Hey, I'm doing good, thanks. How are you doing? Good morning. I'm green so far on the day. Small green today. Price action hasn't been great. I took a loss first trade out of the gate and then recovered from there. Finish up your trading in the London session. Nice. That's always good. It's nice to be done nice and early. Yeah, the price action has been definitely interesting, to say the least. No real clear trend at the moment until we had this recent pop, which came after a White House put out something saying that, what they say, White House officials are cautiously hopeful that the latest negotiations with Iran are making progress. Well, we did pull back pretty hard there. Not super hard, but printing a couple bearish candles. Starting this next candle out bearish also. Pretty nasty pullback there, guys. Sort of going to test that New York VWAP there. I'm just staying flat right now, guys. I'm not really with that kind of rejection, unless you got short up here. Kind of hard to say what's going to happen here. We could be heading for the lows, possibly, right? So kind of trying to hold the New York VWAP at the moment. Let's see if they get a little bit of recovery here or not. Oil's popping up, looks like. Yeah, and just playing around with their sim account. Or paper account. Yeah, because I mean, technically, we're all these prop firm accounts are technically sim accounts, but when she says sim account, I think she means she's trading her paper account. Projection 23,612, maybe going to 23,431. Angie, what are you up to? It's a fun day for some eval gambling, to be honest. The London price action was so clean. I sorted out all my funded accounts, but not touching any of those here. Yeah, smart. The Hawk Flies said, Hasta, Nick. Hasta mañana. Hasta luego. See you later. I will long if you ask me long, mini, and scalp 15 points for eval. Nice. Are you're trading the eval right now, Angia? How's the music for you guys? Is it pretty quiet? I usually turn it down quite a bit because it's a little too loud for Nick. Let's put it back up a little bit here. No, you're not trading anything, only doing paper trading. Nice. Yeah, I don't know why. Whenever for Nick, it just comes out of his speakers really loud, and interferes with this trading, so I usually keep it pretty quiet for him. If we're doing some shenanigans like that, get the 10 contract long now and a paper trading prayer. Right? Just try to forget any of these paper trades that you're taking, though, so you don't build those bad habits, right? I usually full port evals or do a home run trade, like aiming for 100 or 50 points, 150 points. Nice. I'm so close to passing this 150K eval, guys, this Top Step X. I'm 157, 508, so I need, what, 1,500? Slow and steady. Looks like Zach's payouts got denied from Apex for some reason on profit match. I just heard that in the background. That's crazy. It's a good strategy for evals as long as you can find consistency to get the payouts, or it just becomes a big money sink. Yeah. You're not very patient with your evals, either make it or lose it. Yeah, I was being more aggressive getting it to the point that I have, and then now I've been only trading like 3 micros max, and just getting like $20, $30, $40 winners, and that's it. So and you said, do not follow me. Hard to trust Apex from all the drama that I've been seeing. What am I showing for the overnight VWAP? Are you looking at NQ or ES? On NQ, it looking like 23,645. And then ES is 6,494. Gamma can be more helpful at the end of the session. Markets forces can overrule it also. Gotcha. Okay, yeah, so the NQ is 23,645 is where my overnight VWAP is. Let me just double check that it's anchored at the right spot. Yeah, anchored at the right spot. So despite the choppiness, today wasn't that bad as I thought. Nice. Hey, well, I mean, there's definitely some money to be made, right? Like the moves have been decent. It's just if you weren't prepared, if you like kept trying to buy these breakouts or sell the breakouts, that's where you kind of could get damaged. But most people at the moment probably are leaning to ranging days, you know, because that's how price action's really been until there's, you know, White House or tweet or a truth or whatever. Trump will release the full fiscal year 2027 budget request on April 3rd. I don't know. Iran industrial unit in Iraq targeted in airstrike. So it's so interesting. Oh yeah, we're hopeful that we're making progress, and then 2 minutes, like at what was that? That was 20 minutes later, Iran industrial unit in Iraq targeted in airstrikes. Like, what is it here, guys? Yeah, London was pretty sweet today, guys. I was watching this price action here, like the Asia session, and I was just like, I wasn't seeing anything I liked, so I didn't take any trades. Then I was playing hockey while this move happened, and then I went to bed, and then it just went down and down and down from there. So previous day low, broke previous day low, kind of bounced back up, and then started heading lower again. So beautiful. Do we have anyone have the calendar? Wondering if we have is it CPI next week? $5.58 short to $5.11. Yeah, I can definitely see that happening. Be careful for that New York VWAP there, sitting at 532. That'd be a key little area. We've been kind of wicking up off of that previously. Next week is a short week with Friday closed. Gotcha. Holiday? Friday holiday or what? Why is it a short week though? I don't see any holidays. Oh, it's there we go. I see it now. Good Friday. Next Friday. Gotcha. The 3rd. Thank you for that. So April 1st is PMI and the 3rd is NFP. Gotcha. So Wednesday and Friday. Friday is non-farm, but it says it's a holiday. So ISM PMI is on the 6th. So Tuesday of the following week. Oh, futures are open, but stocks and bonds will be closed. All right, so it would be like a bank holiday day. lower volume, right? Lower volume and whatnot. No, at the moment I don't. I have a IBKR account, but I ended up loading up some one sec here. What are they called again here? MSTR, that Bitcoin backed stock, and I'm in pretty big drawdown on that, so I'm just holding that. I'm kind of a long-term Bitcoin holder, so I went in on MSTR, which is basically leveraged Bitcoin holding, right? And so I'm in some drawdown, so I don't have any cash available to trade in that at the moment. So yes, I do have an account that I can swing trade on, but I don't have any capital in it right now. So capital's tied up. I'm a bag holder. What is Bitcoin doing? 66,000, hey? Pretty bearish the last couple days. You might get a swing trade account when NQ contracts roll over next time. Nice, yeah. You were saying that before. You're looking at maybe prop firms and or I guess if you do a cash account, it's a little bit harder, right? Like if it's because you got to have a decent amount of capital in there to because those overnight trades when the market's closed are you got to have a pretty high margin amount for that. You think My Funded Futures got the swing trade account and they can let you hold a trade 5 days? Okay, yeah, that's a decent amount, anyways. Hey, they don't want to let you hold it too long, or else they could break the bank, right? Either I break them or they break mine. LOL. Right? Totally. So what time is it there for you? It's like 15 hours ahead, right? So it's like 9 p.m. plus 5-ish, so 9 a.m. plus or 9 p.m. plus 5. Is it like 1 a.m. for you right now? Midnight. Wow. It's almost bedtime. Hey, are you a bit of a night owl or what? I noticed that quite a few Chinese stay up pretty late. I don't know if that's just in Canada. Maybe they stay up late because they waiting to talk to their family that are waking up the next morning. All right, here we're breaking down below the overnight VWAP here, or sorry, the New York VWAP. Looking like who was in that trade earlier? Sharpie. Sharpie's in that short, targeting 511 here. Usually go to bed around 4 or 5 a.m. and join your stream when I wake up. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty late. That's pretty late. You're a night owl. You know what they say about night owls. No. Oh, it's all good. We appreciate you showing up regardless. So. There we go. Bounced off that view up there. 7-8 points up there. No real clear targets at the moment on the book. I mean, I'm scrolling around looking at it. Looks like we have some orders down at 23,400 and some orders up at 23,700. So it seems like we're in the middle of the two bigger orders on the market. So that's how liver works. What's that? Now you're targeting 458 if she gives me adding it if it gets weak 549. Gotcha. 458. Targeting 458. Nice. Yeah, so you're looking for the lows basically. Hey, Callie, what's up? What's good? Things are good. Things are good. Small green today, but hey, green regardless. And look, I think the chat did pretty well today also. Sharpie's in a short right now. Angia made some nice wins this morning and now is locked out. Nick left earlier, green. Sounded like Zara was in the profit too. So overall looking pretty good. Sharpie, it could happen, but be careful if Trump speaks again. Set a stop loss is better. You know, when he's yappy, market goes crazy. Wipe you 100 points by 3 seconds. Yes, 100%, right? Oh, you made good money last night, so you didn't take any trades today? Nice. Good job. Good job. Yeah, the London session was pretty clean. $556 is your stop. Still having a little bit of struggle here getting through this VWAP. 532. Starting to sweep down to these lows here. Oh, you're break even now? Nice. Keep going here. There you go, 511. Going to call it a day. Have a great weekend. It is the weekend finally. Yes, it is. Good day, bro. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, Angie, whenever you say have a good day, bro, it makes me think that I always thought that you were a dude. Because usually guys are saying bro this, bro that. So yes, as long as you make money, it doesn't matter, right? I agree. Brada. Brada. Well, what time do we got? 9:10 a.m. for me. I think we're going to wrap it up here, guys. Up about 1:30 on the day. Not looking to break the bank. I would like to just end the week green. You know, I would hate to like have a red day on Friday. So is what it is, right? But thanks so much, everybody. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Angia, Darren, Tim, the Hawkflies, Lilish Borker, Chintan, Callie, Sharpie, Czar, Split Striker, Mr. Maybe, Chris B, and Jay, Mr. Shaw, Mrs. Shaw, Mrs. Hall, Jay, Mr. Shaw, Mr. Shaw. 10 more minutes, see if he wins the trade. Okay, yeah. Looks like it might be going to the lows. I don't mind hanging out a little bit longer. We'll stick around here for a few more minutes, see if we can't support Sharpie's trade here. Have a good weekend, Tim. See you, Lilish. I'll be back Sunday, guys. Yeah, I'll be back early on Sunday because I got a hockey game. I got my first playoff game on Sunday. Monday morning for you? Oh yeah, hey, that's true. Sunday is Monday for you and probably for Angia also. Yeah, this trade is going pretty nicely for you. Keep going here. Oh, don't bounce. Just taking a market breath here. You moved your stop to 520. That's smart. Reduce your risk, right? Oh, it looks like you just survived that, I hope. Because it bounced to 23,518 there. And now it's pushing to the lows. Let's go. Print for Sharpie here. Almost, right? Yeah. Choo-choo! Let's go, Bears. We got to close. We need a closure on this next candle below 500. That's going to be key for your trade to continue to work out here. 500 is kind of that line in the sand here. We also have this bullish fair value gap back from the 1120 candle. U.S. House Speaker Johnson is not planning a vote on the Senate passed DHS bill. There we go. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's get some other music here. Something else here to pump up the music. Pump the direction lower. Very somber music. Oh, better get my last cup of coffee here before it gets cold now. Take the money and run. Hey, that's somebody else used to always say that. Lawrence, I think is. He was from Hawaii. Lawrence? No. I haven't seen him in a while though. Almost there. Need to break 490, right? Yeah, 490. It's a pretty key level here. Also, anyways, between 23,500 and 23,490. Need to invert that fair value gap, right? As you can see, it's kind of popping up here, in and out there, right at it's like 98 or 99. 48 seconds here. Looking like they're trying to invert it here. Come on, I'm making it yellow already, so that's gonna be inverted. Can't believe I won a proper match giveaway today. Hey, that's awesome. It's like a 25K, probably a 25K eval from somebody. Did we invert it? Yeah, we did invert it there with that closure. Well, hopefully it doesn't bounce here. Come on, let's turn around and break the 490 here. Big flush here. Yes. Flush, flush, flush. Come on, let's take those 490s right here. Just a quick flush down through the 490s, down to the 80s. I took a 1 micro short here on my 150K account. Stops in the profit $3. Just don't bounce, don't bounce, don't bounce. No, 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 no. Yeah, it's gonna stop it. That's too bad. Am I gonna get lucky? Yeah, stopped out. Oh well. I'm just being super conservative here. Just don't want to give any back here. If I can get into a winning trade, just gonna lock in a little bit. Made a whole $3 on that one. Woo! And then, yeah, now it's going to turn around and go lower, of course, right? I mean, Sharpie, it's going to do it. That will be 90-ish point if it happens. Here we go. Did you hit it? Did you get it there? Yeah, you must have got it there. Oh, some buyers stepping in at the 80s. Going for a night walk. See you on Monday. Bye. Bye, guys. All right, Lilish, thanks for hanging out. Have a good night. Good weekend. See you next week. Still aiming for 58. Yeah, I mean, we can get there. We're going to get there. Come on, let's go, boys. Nice patience on that trade, though. Yeah, 10 minutes is gone. Yeah, and yeah, right. I'll stick around another 4 minutes here till 12:30 Eastern time. Yeah, how many contracts are you in there, Sharpie? Yeah, okay, nice. Good job. Yeah. Take some profit and leave a runner. That's awesome. Good job. I like it that you're keeping it low, keeping it small, right? You always trade MNQ? Nice, yeah. Well, it looks like you're probably going to get it here. It's just looking like it's trying to go there. It's a reasonable target, that's for sure. Trump is going to go live here shortly to give farmers remarks to farmers at something at the White House. Move your stop to 497. Nice, yeah, smart. So you're locked in, profit guaranteed, right? Locking in a little more profit. Come on, just a quick little expansion right here. Just a little. Yeah, we're ready to clap for you here. I got the sound effects ready. Don't bounce though, don't bounce. Oh, the police are coming. Oh my God, where are they? Friend of mine gave me an ivy plant. Pretty cute, right? It's not looking very happy though. Like, I think it's gonna die on me. It's pretty weak, and we got some leaves that are breaking. I don't know, something's happening to the stalk right here. It's like pinching off in the stalk. I don't know. I think it's not going to live much longer, unfortunately. I got this little the daily grind. Oh, Is it going to go here? Let's go, NQ. Roll over for us here. U.S. Secretary of State Rubio, we expect Iran operation to conclude at the appropriate time. We are talking weeks, not months. They're trying to do damage control with all these little posts about what's going on with the war. But a few minutes, like, they said, "Oh, we're in talks," and then there's a write up saying, "Oh, that there's some bombs that hit a certain place." At 12:22, Iran's IRGC warns U.S. linked and Israel-allied industry companies and heavy industries in the region to evacuate workplaces. So what? They're going to try to bomb these guys or something? I don't know. We're going to take the low right now. Let's go. We need to see 470s. Don't bounce. There we go. We helped it out there. Take the lows now. We do have some orders below 40 or 475 down to 450. I think we need to change up the song here. It's going to make it happen. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Rooting here for you, Sharpie. Come on, 4 points. Let's do it. I think you got it there, didn't you? Nice. Good job. There we go. Oh, it was worthwhile staying. Glad to see you made that. Very good job. Good job. It's always fun when you're winning, right? What's a CS2 competition? Oh, Counter-Strike 2? You play every day? Nice. I haven't played Counter-Strike in a while. That's a fun game. 300 points possible, you think? Well, we have orders down to 23,400 there. Nice, I just locked in a quick $20 scalp there on the lows. Just once we started eating those orders, you can just see that the price wanted to take those orders. So I did a quick 2 micro short there right at 54, closed it at 54.75, closed it at 44.50. Yeah, I'm ready to call it there. Thanks so much, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Again, as per usual, the Hawk Flies, Sharpie, Angia, hanging out at the end. My dad also saying what's up to everybody. So thanks so much, everybody. I'll be live Sunday. Probably going to have to be earlier in the day. I usually do the late night stream, but hockey game's at 7:30. So that's like 8:30, not back until 9 something. And then I got to deal with the dogs and everything. So kind of hard for me to get on so late without trying to get to bed early. So good night, Mr. Dave. You have a great weekend. Good luck with your hockey game. Don't get hurt. Rest well. All the best. Thank you so much, Angia. Appreciate you. Yeah, have a good weekend, guys. Thanks so much. And yeah. Keep up the good work, guys. You guys have been killing it this week. I think everybody's been trading really well. You know, the chat's been pretty green. We've been green all week. So hopefully we're providing you guys a little bit of value. If not, at least we got a community to hang out with of like-minded people that we like, right? So thanks a lot, everybody. See you guys Sunday or Monday, whatever your day it is for you guys. So peace out. Have a good one. Bye.